Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at these 5-liter ultrasonic mist humidifiers by Coolfiqu. Let's get right into it. So out of the box, the humidifiers arrive in a plastic bag. This ensures that everything's going to arrive scuff-free and undamaged. Once we get the bag off, you can see the humidifier right here. We got some additional tape around the side here that's holding the tank to the main base so that nothing accidentally comes apart. We got some other bits and pieces on the inside, so we're going to take a look at that shortly. And then on the back side, we've got our power cord here, which has a little protective tip cover on here for shipment as well. Now we've got all the tape removed. There's only a few pieces that actually hold the tank to the base. On the back side, don't forget there is a piece that's going to be covering over the aromatherapy box, just as an FYI. And then on the front screen, there's actually a small piece of film plastic as a screen protector, so you can peel that off as well. It'll look nice, shiny, and bright, and it's going to improve the touch sensitivity, so don't forget that as well. Now that that's all set, one last thing, you're going to want to lift the tank off up here. There is a piece of foam that needs to be removed, and you can just toss that out, place the tank right back on top. Then we have the bag of items that was in the tank here. We've got our user's manual or instructions. There's also an additional pamphlet that talks about regular cleaning. They're including a nice soft scrub brush, so we're going to look at cleaning here in just a second. We have a water purification device right here. This helps inhibit bacterial growth. And then we have our top vent or fog nozzle. When it comes to installing the fog nozzle into the lid right here, you can see the lid comes off nice and easy. This is going to fit right inside. So you're going to press down. You can twist it in if you want to, but you're going to hear a nice little snap once you push it down, like so. And now it's in there nice and secure, and nothing's going to come loose, okay? And you're also going to have the ability to adjust the nozzle depending on how you want your fog to go out, left and right or front and back, depending on which room and area you're using this in. Taking a closer look at the water tank, nice translucent and see-through tank itself. Yes, at the very bottom over here, we've got our water filter. It's just pressed in there, so you can just give it a little twist and it'll come free nice, quick, and easy. So if we're doing a nice deep cleaning, you can pull this out, you could rinse it, you could scrub gently, or if you really want to, right, I can just use my nails. I can even get this spongy bit and piece to come out completely if I really need to clean that, and then when I'm putting it back together, it just slides right inside there. So you can pull this out for deep cleaning, just gently scrub and rinse on the inside. Don't scratch anything, don't be too abrasive. Now on the very bottom, same thing, gently clean all the bottom components, getting into the nooks and crannies, where we have the spring tensioner right here that the water filter was on. If you want to clean this even further for a nice deep cleaning, you can press the spring in and you'll be able to grab the plastic piece that's on the inside. Just grab it with your fingers and you'll be able to pull it right off of the top. And you see these two pieces come together here. So you got this piece right here, and then you've got the spring over here. So you can really get in there, you can clean that out, go underneath, all of that great stuff. And then assembly is just the reverse of the install. Slide the spring and the little arrow back in there, put the topper right back on. It goes right through the center hole, yeah, and you're back in business. So when you're done, take the water filter component, put that right back on top, and it's all good, nice and clean. Same thing with the base as well, just getting in here gently. Obviously we got the little scrubber here, the sponge that they got. Get in there gently, get into the nooks and crannies, don't destroy the atomizer, just be careful, right, and scrub where it needs to, and you'll be all set and ready to go. And then when you're ready, take the tank, put it back on top of the base, just like so. Yes, we've also got the purification device. This is gonna go in the bottom of the tank. It can go anywhere. It doesn't need to be affixed to the bottom in order for it to work. Put the top back on, and we're ready to go. Now I did mention the humidifier can do aromatherapy, so we've got our aromatherapy box right here. Simply press in, the little tray will come out. So you got your aromatherapy sponge down here, and there's a little air filter up here. So you take your favorite scent, essential oil, what have you, put a couple of dashes right here onto the white piece, insert it back in, and once you fire up the humidifier, you'll have that spa-like experience. And cleaning is exactly the same. Pull the tray out. You can take both of these components out if you want to. You'll wash them, rinse them, let them dry out. Clean the tray maybe with just a damp cloth. You'll be good to go. And once all is good and nice and clean, simply reassemble, just like I took it apart there real quickly. Slide it all in here and you're ready to go. Slide it back in and everything is back to new. Now when it's time to fill the humidifier, it's always recommended to use distilled or purified water, but you're going to have two fill options. You can simply remove the lid and pour directly into the tank for a quick, fast fill, or you can pour right around the sides here, just like so, and you're going to see as the water goes in, not only is it going to go in, it will go around, and now it's going to start to fill the tank up completely. If you're filling through the top, make sure you always pour through the sides. You never want to fill or pour water directly into the fog nozzle. If the water level's ever too low, there's an indicator light right here that will signal that you need to refill the tank. Simply add in more water once again. and it'll automatically turn off and resume operation. Now, using the humidifier is simple and easy with its responsive touch button operation. Simple on-off button right here with a nice bright LCD screen that's going to give you all the information and feedback that you need to. Now, we have 3 different mist modes that you can choose from with a plus and minus button right here. So you can toggle up to level 2 or 3 or back down to 1, and you're going to see that the mist comes out quick and easy with good disbursement, whether that's on level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can also control the humidifier based on humidity, so if you press this button, you're going to be able to select the relative humidity that you want, and that goes all the way from 40 up to 90% relative humidity before it cycles back. So right here in real time, it's going to tell you what the relative humidity is in your room. And as you set a desired level, maybe it's 90 or 85 here in this instance, it'll toggle back and it's going to work its way up from 75 up to 85. And down here we have the ambient temperature of the room. There's also a built-in timer here with plenty of options from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24, 48, 72, and 96 hours non-stop. Or if you press it one more time, this double line right here means that the humidifier will run non-stop as long as it's topped off with water. Last but not least, we have our sleep mode. So if you're using this at night and you don't want the brightness of the screen to disturb your sleep, simply hit that button and in just a couple of seconds, the screen will go dark. If you ever need to make any adjustments, turn it on, off, or what have you, you can press the sleep mode button once again, or any of the other control buttons here will light the LCD screen right back up. And don't forget, you've got a 360-degree nozzle, so you can point the mist exactly in the direction that you want it to go. At the end of the day, these Coolfiqu humidifiers are amazing. We've got a nice 5-liter large capacity, easy top filling, the ability to add essential oils for aromatherapy, and can run up to 50 hours on a single fill. Let's not forget we've got sleep mode, automatic power off, and a 360-degree rotatable nozzle.